Hi, my name is Angela Greig, and welcome to second period AP Environmental Science. APES, as we shorten it, is the equivalent of a one-semester introductory college course in environmental science. It's interdisciplinary, so we incorporate topics from biology, earth science, chemistry, and geography. And the goal of our class is for students to be able to understand interrelationships in the natural world and to be able to analyze and propose solutions to both natural and human-made environmental problems. Our course culminates with the AP exam in May, which consists of 80 multiple choice questions and 3 free response questions. I follow the College Board's suggested curriculum for AP Environmental Science. There are 9 units, and each unit is broken down into topics. This information is available to students, and I encourage them to read through each topic thoroughly leading up to a test to help them prepare, to make sure that they'll do well on the in-classroom test and also be successful on the AP exam in the spring. I use CTLS in order to share information and assignments with students. On the class board, each week I'll publish an agenda to let them know what we're doing in class and what assignments will be due. And if I have any extra information, that will be published in the announcement section. Your student should have shared with you the syllabus during the first week of school. I'd like to point out from the syllabus how your student will be graded. So summative assessments, those are unit tests, major labs, major projects, will comprise 50% of the grade. Formative assessments, those would be minor labs, minor activities, daily work, quizzes. That will comprise 40% of the grade, and the final exam will be 10%. If students need extra help, I'm available on Tuesdays immediately after school and Wednesdays before school. And if you should have any questions or comments for me, I welcome an email. I'm at angela.greig@cobbk12.org. I look forward to working with your student this year, and thank you very much for listening.